The kitchen is the heart of any home, and quality cookware is a cornerstone of successful cooking. This Pricusis Nonstick Saucepan with lid combines style, functionality, and health-conscious design to deliver a superior cooking experience. Whether you're a home chef whipping up a family dinner or someone exploring new recipes, this saucepan promises efficiency, durability, and convenience. Let's dive into the features, benefits, and why this saucepan deserves a spot in your kitchen. Key features. Number 1. Durable construction. The Pricusis saucepan boasts a cast aluminum core, ensuring durability and rapid heat distribution. This means no hot spots, consistent cooking results, and a pan that resists warping even with daily use. The sturdy build makes it a reliable companion for years to come. Number 2. Non-toxic ceramic coating. Health-conscious cooking starts with toxin-free cookware. This saucepan features a ceramic coating free from PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. It ensures that you're not just delicious, but also safe for the entire family. Number 3. Effortless non-stick performance. The ceramic non-stick surface is a game changer. From delicate sauces to hearty soups, food slides off effortlessly with minimal oil or butter, making cleanup quick and easy. Enjoy healthier meals without compromising on flavor or texture. Number 4. Stovetop agnostic and oven safe. The thick stainless steel base makes this saucepan compatible with all cooktops, including Induction. Additionally, it's oven-safe up to 360 degrees, offering versatility for recipes that require finishing in the oven. Number 5. Thoughtful design. With high, straight sides, this saucepan is designed for optimal heat retention and limited evaporation, making it perfect for stewing, simmering, and creating rich sauces. The pour spouts ensure mess-free serving, adding convenience to your cooking routine. Number 6. Gift-ready packaging. The Pricusis saucepan arrives in elegant packaging, making it a thoughtful gift for holidays like Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, or Christmas. Why choose Pricusis Nonstick Saucepan? Healthier meals without compromise. In a market flooded with non-stick cookware containing harmful chemicals, the Pricusis saucepan stands out with its toxin-free ceramic coating. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you're cooking meals that are safe for your loved ones. Effortless cooking and cleaning. Busy weeknights call for cookware that works as hard as you do. The non-stick surface minimizes mess, and the sturdy base prevents burning, letting you focus on perfecting flavors without hassle. Versatility for everyday use. Whether you're simmering marinara sauce, preparing oatmeal, or making a batch of soup, this saucepan is up for the task. Its compact, 2-quart size makes it ideal for single servings or small family meals. Elegant and practical gift. If you're looking for a gift that's both functional and stylish, the Pricusis saucepan checks all the boxes. Its sleek design and premium performance make it an excellent choice for anyone who loves to cook. Care and maintenance tips. To keep your Pricusis saucepan performing at its best, use soft utensils like silicone or wood to avoid scratching the ceramic surface. Hand wash with mild soap and a soft sponge for longevity. Avoid using high heat settings to preserve the non-stick coating. Customer testimonials. An excellent addition to my kitchen. I've been using this saucepan for a month and it has exceeded my expectations. The non-stick surface is truly impressive and cleanup is a breeze. Safe and stylish. I love that this saucepan is toxin-free and stylish. It's perfect for quick meals and soups. Perfect gift for home cooks. I gifted this to my mom and she adores it. The design and performance are top-notch. Conclusion. The Pricusis Nonstick Saucepan with lid is more than just a cooking tool. It's an investment in healthier, more efficient, and enjoyable cooking. Its durable construction, non-toxic coating, and thoughtful design make it a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're preparing daily meals or experimenting with gourmet recipes, this saucepan offers unparalleled performance and convenience. Transform your cooking experience today. Click the link in the description below to explore the full product specifications and take the first step toward effortless, healthier cooking. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.